Alright guys, this is going to be a little update. I got the head and the jug off, and I am getting a compression leak right in here where it was scratched up, or there's a pretty good ding. And what I'll do is I'll wet sand the jug and the head on some on a flat surface like a piece of glass. Wet sand it with 400 grit, bring it down just enough so it'll seal and not overdo it. If you overdo it, we'll have to run an extra base gasket so we don't run too high of a compression and detonate our motor. And I already cleaned all the carbon out of the head and the piston. And on this stripped spark plug hole, what I'll do is drill that out. Actually, I'll just drill both of them out and put a time cert in there. Time cert is like a sort of like a helicoil that'll fix strip bolt holes. And it's a lot more secure when it's something like a spark plug where you have to take it in and out. And I'll show you the piston here. We got decarboned the piston head, and the inside of the motor looks pretty clean. And hopefully after I get those two major things finished, we'll be back in service. Alright, peace out.